All right, so we're on page 46 here. Probably should have a pen. I did have you start on these yesterday. Is there any one that you didn't get that we should start on?
Yeah.
And then I'll have you complete that page. So throw me out a number
7.
that you'd like to go over. Number 7.
10. No, 7. 10.
Okay, so which one represents a area model that is different than the others? Obviously, this one is multiple choice. Okay, I should be able to tell that by looking at the numbers on the side. So what does 40 and 7 represent?
47.
What does 80 and 3 represent?
83.
Okay, so that one represents 47 by 83. How about B?
47.
47 and
83.
83, that's the same. How about C?
C. 87.
87 and
43.
that's the one that's different.
What about D? Oh, that's the same.
That's the same. So C is different.
Yeah. Is it?
What's the difference? Well, they're all 47 times 83. But C is 43 times 87. And it doesn't tell us that we need to do the calculation. So 7 and 8 is done there. Any other one on that page
10.
that we need to discuss? Number 10. Okay, a little puzzle there. The product of my digit is 4. So what numbers multiply together? That's what product means, give you 4.
2.
2 and 2. And
4 and 4.
4 times 4 is not 4.
4 times 1.
4 times 1. So those are your options. Those is the only way to get 4. The sum of my digits is 5. So these are your options. They add up. That's what sum means. They add up to 5.
4 and 1.
So it's 4 and 1. Now I got to decide what order to put them in. Well, it tells me T is bigger than U. 10's digit is bigger than a 1's digit. Greater than or equal to. So do you think it's 1-4 or 4-1?
4-1.
4-1, absolutely. Because the 10's is bigger. Okay, so I'm going to give you about 5 minutes to complete the rest of that page if you haven't yet. And then we will go through them before we go to page 2. Again, this is about 60-some questions long, so we're going to get through half of that today and finish it tomorrow. So go ahead and finish the rest of that up.
What do you do if you already finished it?
Double check it. And then I won't need to give you that so long.
So long.
So long.
So long. What does that mean?
I won't have to give you the whole 5 minutes.
Okay.
We got most of them done. Should not take long to go through them. Start with the first one. Carrie, want to tell us what you got for that one?
Number 1.
Yep.
Yep. Do I say the,
What do you got in the box and the total?
okay, that's a 40.
40?
Is that 540?
Yeah, then once you have the boxes filled out, you simply add those to get the answer. Number 2. Maddie?
120 and -5.
Okay, it should be 200
Or yeah, I mean 200
and -5.
-5. And I got 195.
Yeah, once you get those again, you just add those up. 20 times 100? 2,000. 20 times 1? 3 times 100. Add them all up. 23. 23, yep. All right, seems like we have those down, so I'll just let you check this one. Add them up. 5, same thing. Six is a little different. We're missing the top numbers there. So what numbers do I need to put up there to give us 27?
20 and 7.
Yeah, 20 and 7. To give us 27 there. So this would be a -100 and -35 for a total of -135. 7 and 8 we did. 9. Anybody confident that they got 9 figured out?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Okay, what do you got?
2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. 2.
Perfect. Okay, question 10 we did. Question 11. You think you got 11?
Yeah.
What do you got?
53.
53 is correct. Add up to 8. Multiply together, give you 15. And the second digit is less than the first. Right on. How about 12?
Yeah.
Go ahead, Maddie.
7, 80 plus 1.
Yep. 13. Kira?
4. 200 plus 80 plus 4.
Yep. So this would be 9 and 60 plus 5. Next one's a little trickier. I gotta break up 49. How do I break up 49?
49.
40 plus 9.
40 plus 9. Break up 32.
30 plus
Good. Break up 29.
2. 20 plus 9.
Break up 63.
60 plus 3.
Very good. Didn't have to do anything other than that. All right, next page, problem 17 through 23. Anything there give us trouble that we'd like to go through before I give you a little time to finish that up?
C.
C?
Yeah, I'm 21.
Yeah, so we pretty much got to do all of 21, which is fine. We'll do that one together.
I couldn't figure out the letters in the tops.
Up here?
Yeah.
Okay, we can do one of those up there too. Let's do 21 first. So we have to find the mistakes. They did something wrong. And then basically we got to fix it for C. So let's check this one. Is negative 2x times 4y? Well, negative 2 times 4 is what?
Be -8.
That's right then. And it's got an x and a y. That looks good. So that looks right. So I don't have to do anything. 4y times 3.
That's right.
That's 12y. That looks fine. Negative 5 times negative 2.
Wrong.
A negative times a negative would be a positive.
Right. So I need to circle that because that's wrong. I'm going to circle it over here as well. How about negative 5x times 3?
Wrong, because a negative times a positive is negative.
All right, so it's missing the negative sign there, so I'm going to circle that one as well. Okay, how about Molly? What do you see there wrong? See anything?
Yeah,
What?
here on the top right, it's the wrong number.
4 times 3 is not 7.
Nope.
Molly added. One other thing she did wrong.
Oh, it's the x squared.
No, that looks fine. It's actually this one. 4 times 2. Not 6.
That's 8.
Yep. All right, so we got to do it correctly. All right, so negative 2x times 4y. What's that going to be?
What?
Negative 8.
And then the variables.
2x. X squared.
xy. 3 times 4y. 3 times 4
12y.
with a y on it. Maddie, negative 2 times negative 5.
10.
And I got 2 x's there, so that's x squared. Negative 5 times 3. Negative 15 x. So negative 8xy, positive 12y, 10x squared, negative 15x. So those would be your correct answers. Devin, you said you had trouble on the letters.
Yeah.
Which one of those 4 would you like to go through?
Number 17.
17.
I just couldn't figure out, there's a letter there, so I couldn't do the combination.
Yeah, so all you do is go A and then the other one's 5. So then we fill out our chart 7 times A,
It's gonna be 7A.
7A, 7 times 5,
5. Wait.
nope,
35.
35. So my answer is 7A plus 35. Same thing for 18. You have a 2x, and you got a y, and you got a minus 8. Same steps. Okay, so I'll give you a few minutes to finish that one up.
perfect square.
4 times 4,
Oh,
16. 5 times 5, 25. So if you're looking for a single digit, your options are 1, 4, and 9.
good.
What would be one of the ones that are double? Is it like that?
Yeah, so your A and 7 gotta go on top, and your B and 8 gotta go on the bottom. So on top of the boxes, I mean, your A and 7 need to be on the same side. Either both on top or both on the left.
Alright. I don't remember them covering this amount for the class.
Have you ever used those books before?
One of those in my college books.
College books? That's a thing.
All right. So this one we started, 2x times y is 2xy. 2x times negative 8 is negative 16x. Do not forget the negative there. Nineteen is one with two letters. So one side you have an A and a 7, A plus 7. The other side we got a B and an 8. So A times B is AB, 7 times B, 7B, 8 times A, and 8 times 7. AB, 7B, 8A plus 56. The order you have those in doesn't really matter. Remember, when you write a letter and a number, the number should come first, and a letter should be in alphabetical order. That's why AB is not written BA, should be alphabetical. 20 is the exact same thing with one different sign. You have a negative 8. So everything's the same,
Just negative 6.
and negative 8A.
Negative
So AB plus 7B minus 8A minus 56. Everything else is the same. 22, anybody think they got that one? Based on those clues?
Yeah. Yeah, I got it.
What do you got?
Wait for 5.
Ooh,
I got 819.
it's actually 347.
Oh, it was off one number.
I just
Okay.
focused on the last one.
Now, these two, Maddie, you had the first two. These two add up to the last number. That's what the last clue says. 3 plus 4 is 7. Question 23, Devin, you haven't seen one of these It's a little different. Here's our numbers that we're going to use, and here's our clues. That means these 3 boxes multiply to give you 8. These 2 boxes add up to give you 5. This one has to be a 1. There's only a 1 there. These 2 subtract to give you 2, and so on. Anybody think they have it?
Nope.
Maddie, what do you got for the top row?
2, 1, 4, 3.
Okay, I actually have 1, 2, 4, 3.
So do I.
What do you got for the next row, Kira?
4, 3, 1, 2.
That's correct. Next one.
2, 4, 3, 1.
Very good. And last one.
3, 1, 2, 4.
Nice.
I'm getting better at these.
Good.
I used to be good, but now I don't even know what I'm doing.
All right, so the final page we're going to cover here today. We'll probably stop at like 32 or so. 33. Let's stop at 33. We'll stop right there. Use an area model to do that. So again, more practice at doing these. Any one that you want to go through before I have you try the rest?
30.
30?
Yeah.
All right. You have a B minus 2 and a B minus 2. Now, just to review, remember if you have the exact same thing with opposite signs, I'll see one on here. We're not going to have a middle term, and sometimes there's going to be things to combine, like terms. But let's try it. B times B.
B squared.
B squared. Yep. 2 B's. Negative 2 times B.
Negative B.
Yeah, number first, remember. Negative 2B. Or not 2B. Bottom left.
Negative B2.
Number first.
2, negative 2B.
There you go. Bottom right.
Negative 4. No, positive 4.
Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. So I like the B squared. I like the positive 4. These two things can actually be combined because they both have a B on them. So what is negative 2B and another negative 2B?
It'd be a negative 4. C.
Exactly right. Okay, try those other ones there, just on the top.
How do I do that?
B times B. That's all it's saying. What is B times B?
B squared.
There you go. That's it.
Something fell.
That's fine.
Let me set this thing out and send the charge. We're stepping up to our 3, right?
Yep.
charge it some when I get home.
What's that?
I need to charge it sometime. Just popped up the label, says no battery. Which is good because I'm one of those solar power ones.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then once we get done with this. Need more time, Maddie?
I'm done.
Okay.
I'm ready to check.
All right, let's hear what you got. Maddie, first one.
Okay. For which one?
First one.
I got B2.
B squared.
Or B squared.
Next one. Kira.
9x squared.
Very good. Got the next one?
2y squared.
2y squared. Last one.
Negative K squared.
Positive k squared. Two negatives make a positive, remember? Next one. X plus y times x plus y. All right. X, y, x, y. X squared, xy, xy, y squared. So I know I'm going to have an x squared and a y squared in it. What's xy plus xy?
X squared.
Nope.
xy squared.
Nope.
xy.
Almost.
2xy.
Two xy's. One xy plus another xy is 2xy. 29. A plus 2b, a plus b. A squared, 2ab, another ab, 2b squared. So I know I have a squared, I know I have 2b squared. What's 2ab plus another ab?
2ab.
Nope.
ab squared.
Nope. Two apples plus one apple.
3.
Three ab's. And the last, no, we got a couple more here. X minus 5, y and 9. So I got xy, negative 5y, 9x, negative 45. Nothing you can combine there. They're all different, no like terms. Two c squared, 12c, 11c, 66. What's 12c and 11c?
23C.
Very good. Two G, 3H,
I thought we were stopping on
negative 5. Yeah, I decided to go 33. What's first in the alphabet, G or H?
H. G.
G. Nothing you can combine there either. All different.
Are we stopping here?
Yeah. So that was quite a bit. We did over half. We will finish that tomorrow with our test coming up here at the end of the week.